Welcome to Hong Kong, one of the most densely populated cities in the world and home to over 7 million residents. This city consistently ranks as one of the most stressful places to live, but a new trend may help people resolve that. Rage rooms reportedly popped up around 2008 in Japan, a place that some may argue is even more stressed out than Hong Kong. After an eye-opening trip to Japan, a group of entrepreneurial Hong Kongers brought the rage room trend back to their city.
Actually, it's a good exercise for releasing the stress, so we bring it up to Hong Kong. I think it's kind of extraordinary. In this room, you can break what you want.
You know, I work as an entertainer and an entrepreneur. You know, living in Hong Kong, everyone's so stressed. You take the MTR, people bump into each other, everyone's like in rage. Right in there, I was just like, dude, I can't do whatever I want.
Before you let loose, you must gear up head to toe with the jumpsuit, gloves, goggles, and of course, your choice tools of rage.
For Hong Kong, we got lack of time. We got lack of rooms that you can express yourself. You can find friends to drink or talk, but you can never just release all your stress. So this idea will be quite effective.
Hi, my name's Chris, and I am a rage room rookie. I can't believe I'm allowed to do this.
Just the feeling of being able to, you know, break things. It's different than video games. You know, I go to video games when I want to release my stress. This is just different. This is physical. This is it.
The freewheeling rage experience can even turn into its own workout session.
Most of the clients, after they play it, they found that it's sweaty. Extreme sports.
Breaking the TV was really interesting. I was expecting like a one hit and smash the whole thing up. But yeah, eventually I got it. I was like, wow, that felt good. Chris was there, so it was fun to, you know, destroy something. We broke what? 2 washing machines and I don't know what it was. And it was just like, you know, one at a time, boom, bam, boom, bam.
So living in Hong Kong, which is the 5th most stressful city to live in, I can absolutely see why a rage room is needed. That was beyond cathartic.
It's a different adrenaline rush, you know, for 15 minutes, you just go crazy.
But stress is everywhere, not just in Asia, and rage rooms have caught on around the world from New York to Paris.
Go nuts!